Good morning, class. Standard 9 Physical Educations. Today's chapter is Physical Fitness, Chapter 4, Section A, Health and Aging. Physical fitness and importance. What is the physical fitness? When physically fit, you can able to any work given time. When you are physically unfit, you cannot do any work. Suppose your parents telling to lift one bucket of water. When you are not having any enough strength on your muscles, so how can you lift the bucket of water? So that's a neat physical fitness, everyday exercises, muscle training to make stamina to run every day, practices, improve, make body strong, mentally strong. The physical fitness is most important at any age. You can avoid disease-free body. So physical fitness is everybody's must have this type of physical fitness. What are these? Physical fitness. What is a physical fitness? It is used in the context of two meanings. General fitness, that is a state of health and well-being, and specific fitness is the ability to perform specific sports or occupational skills. One is the physical for health purpose they're doing, one is for professional, like a sports persons. A fitness can be further subdivided into 5 categories: cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, and body compositions. The criterion for physical fitness has also been expanded to include the capacity to meet physical demands in an emergency situations. That means somebody is drowned in the swimming pool or river. So if you know the swimming, you can rescue him. If you are not know how to swim, then you cannot rescue him. So you are not able to enter the water and save him. So if you know the swimming knows you need a physical strength and mentally strength also. So likewise, physical fitness is the capacity of the heart, blood vessels, lungs, and muscle to function to optimum efficiencies. All include mind, also include heart, also include body, also include muscular, also include. It is the body ability to function efficiently and effectively in the work and the leisure activities, not only to set a point of time, but at various ages and stages within the person's lifestyle. The key is to finding optimum health within the limits of one's lifestyle in order to able to resist hypokinetic disease. Somebody is eating always daily fat food, nothing doing, sitting at home and eating only fat food, junk food. So likewise, lifestyle depend on how you get a disease. If you eat well, nutrition, balancing diet, exercises, proper sleep, proper environment, so that can lead your life healthy. Those who are not taking about the body, care of the body, only whatever they'll feel like to eat, they'll eat. Then they will collecting all the disease inside. So likewise. Now, importance of the physical fitness, overall health. The regular fitness regime helps in improving the overall health of an individual. A brisk walk for a half an hour and free hand exercise can keep one fit, it enhances blood circulation and improves immunity as well. Boost energies. After working out after the session of yoga, one shall feel rejuvenated and energized throughout the day. Contrary to this, if one's lifestyle is sedentary and lethargic, the individual will feel tired and sluggish the entire day. If you are leading lavish life, oh, don't dare, I will eat, I will sit and eat, I will not do any exercise. So then that means you are inviting a disease. Next, weight reductions. The weight reduction means simply eating junk food, oily food, torchy food, sweet, cool drinks, soft drinks. It will make more carbohydrates. It will make fat inside your body store in the adipose tissue of the skin. The body can make use of it later on. This is main advantage of being fit. Working out regularly is one of the natural weight loss methods. One can burn extra calories. The individual will also remain in shape. Therefore, weight reduction is one of the important benefits of physical fitness. If you do physical fitness exercises, you will be fit, body will be in shape. Otherwise, it will become a oval shape like a pumpkin. Strong build. Staying fit with a regular workout and muscle building makes the bones strong. People suffering from backache, shoulder pain, etc. must exercise regularly. Now, the main thing, the mental strength. This is also important. A fit body is not only physically strong but mentally strong as well. A combined routine including proper exercise and diet have a positive effect on brain functions. It elevates the flow of blood to brain and enhances one's memory. It also keeps one mentally strong. Next, I'll come to the personality development. Staying fit makes one good look. The more one indulges into healthy habits, the more overall looks improve. This increases confidence level and grooms personality. One feels fresh and rejuvenated throughout the day. The mood remains happy and optimistic too. So these are the physical fitness. Now, component of the physical fitness. What is a component of physical fitness? There are 10 components of physical fitness. They are directly or indirectly inherited with each other. Each component has its own important in different games and sports. Cardiovascular, respiratory endurance. First one, stamina, muscular endurance. Third one, strength. Fourth one, flexibility. Fifth one, power. Seventh one, speed. Eighth one, coordination or coordinative abilities. Agility, balance, static balance, dynamic balance, accuracy. These are the component of the physical fitness. So this is the component matters. Now, factors affecting the physical fitness. What is the fact affecting the physical fitness? The various factors affect the physical fitness, that is hereditary, genetic problem. Hereditary factors play a very important role in affecting the physical fitness and wellness. Size, shape, stature, and height are involved in hereditary factors. If a father is short and child also will become short, That is called hereditary problem, genetic problem. Nutrition or balanced diet improves our wellness. Unbalanced diet and malnutrition affects the physical fitness and wellnesses. Some children is not growing, the muscle is not, how much are eating is not growing up, muscle is not coming out. So imbalance when the pregnant woman is not taking enough food, enough nutrition for the child during the pregnancy, then child also will become a malnutrition. Child will have some defect. That is called nutrition. Environment. Untidy, dirty and polluted environments affect the physical fitness and wellness. Safe, clean and hygiene help to maintain the environment. Training. Proper training is an essential factor affecting the physical fitness. Proper training increases in the ability to great extent. Proper training means availability of proper facilities and guidance to all appropriate methods of training. Now, illness, disease and injury greatly affect the physical fitness. We should follow the obstructive and remedial measure which does not affect the physical fitness. Self-motivations. The individual must be self-motivated to be physically fit. All other factors can be overcome if one self-motivated by the physically fit. Emotional stability. When you take any types of stress, tension and worries, it result reduce our physical fitness. To maintain physical fitness of the body, a person must be emotionally stable. We should not worry about what happens something. We go ahead with the training. It is not necessary to worry about that this happened, this happened. Forget about that. Happiness happen. Go further for your training. Lifestyle. Next. Lifestyle also affects the physical fitness of an individual. It plays an indirect role in influencing physical fitness. It has observed that people who have improper lifestyle are likely to have a loose physical fitness or less physical fitness. Posture. Everyone appreciated good posture of an individual. Good posture enhances physical fitness. It's also a symbol of wellness. The person who does not have a good posture tends to have lower level of physical fitness. So you can make out the body. Any person is a physical fitness sportsman body or exercise body. You can make it different from person to persons. So these are things. Physical fitness is important for each and everybody, required at any age. So simply sitting at home, shake your hand, shake your head, shake your legs. That also exercise. So only the physical training doesn't need any field, any ground, any place, without any equipments. That is a physical training. The sports training, you need a complete sports equipments. Weight training, you need your weightlifting items, track, ground you need, equipment you need. But physical training purpose, there is no need of any field or any ground required. You can do at home only, on the bed also you can do the exercise. Good morning class, stay safe, stay home.